to convey my message in English, but as some parents are here, at the same time I will speak something in other language also, either Hindi or in Marathi. Today we are here to celebrate the winners. Actually, we are here to congratulate the winners of word dictation competitions. The some students who achieved some remarkable achievements like CA exam, MSc Computer. To them, we want to congratulate. Actually, I want to salute to all of you, those who create that journey to this juncture. You also deserve a round of applause, all the heroes of today's program. Now I come to our today's program. Respected Jadhav sir, the Honorable SDM of Karanja Lat. When I was a student, some of my friends are also here. We were listening one sentence properly that in life two things define you. In life two things define you. Your patience when you have nothing and your attitude when you have everything. Right now, Jadhav sir is one of the topmost officers of Karanja. After that, I want to say that I didn't see a humble and polite person ever in my life like him. That is why, of being a SDM of Karanja, after that the humanity which he is having, he accepted our request and he is here after his busy schedule. That is why it is a kind of a privilege for all of us. On behalf of our school, I am welcoming him by heart. Respected Manjre sir, the Honorable Tehsildar of Karanja Lat. If I want to define about Manjre sir, I have to give you an example of this coconut only. Those which is harder from outside, but similarly softer from inside. Honestly sir, as I am connected with you, I came to know. And the other important thing is, about Manjre sir, I want to say that he is a source of inspiration for all of us. Why? Why I am telling this sentence? Why he is a source of inspiration? Because as we discussed, he told me that he came from very poor background. He came from very small town. And if a person, if an ordinary student from a small town can become a class 1 officer, can become a Tehsildar, then why we won't? Is it possible for everyone? If he can do, we can also do. Is it possible for you, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is why I told that he is a source of inspiration. A big round of applause for sir also. Dr. Pente sir, now I am about to introduce about him. Actually, according to me, he doesn't need any introduction. He is an introduction himself. Actually, he is the advisory director of our school LMC, one of my best friend. It is also said that if friendship is your weakest point, then you are the strongest person in the world. I am proudly saying that I am the weakest in friendship. That is why I am the strongest person in the world. Behind the success of our school, his role also is quite unlimited. And we won't, actually I am not getting the words. We won't explain his role in the words. It is kind of an abstract noun which you can explain, which you can experience, but you can't explain. That is why I am welcoming to you also, sir. Now I am coming on to towards today's program. That only in 2 minutes I want to say that so many successful persons are in front of you. And you also want to get succeed. But what is success? According to me, according to you, if we define the success, what is the meaning of success? According to me, success is yours for the taking. But in order to achieve success, 3 things are necessary. Number 1, you must want to succeed. You must learn how to get succeed. And you must preserve. Preserve means you have to make number of efforts. You must preserve till success is yours. Everybody wants to get succeed. But one thing is not enough. You have to pay the price of success. Have a plan. Have a plan. Picture or ambitions is like a picture printed on a packet of seeds. You know what you want. Preserve means you have to make number of efforts. You must preserve till success is yours. Everybody wants to get succeed. But one thing is not enough. You have to pay the price of success. Have a plan. Have a plan. Picture or ambitions is like a picture printed on a packet of seeds. You know what you want and you know what to expect. Without ambition, you are like a gardener planting seeds from a packet which has no label. With ambition and the will toward the sky is the limit. Neither age, nor poverty, nor illness, nor handicap can stop such a man or woman. Your tomorrow will largely depend on what you have done today. And if you scatter the seeds, the birds of air will deprive you of a valuable harvest. If you can't be a highway, then just be a train. If you can't be the sun, be the star. It isn't by the size that you win or fail. Be the best of whatever you are. These are the things I wanted to convey you. I am getting the faces of my parents. Okay? Some are getting bored because of English. Those who are not getting. But I am promising that your kids, those who are here, they won't be bored by English. Their English will be better than me. Okay? The other important thing, those who got it. Okay, okay, I will transfer my language to in Hindi, no problem. But सफल होने के लिए आपको कई सारी समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ेगा. समस्याएं सबके जीवन में है. एक जगह मैंने पढ़ा था कहीं, बहुत मुझे कुछ लाइंस अच्छी लगी, तो मैं आपके साथ वो दोहरा कर मैं मेरे 2 शब्द समाप्त करूंगा कि सफलताएं प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें कई सारी समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ता है. समस्याएं सबके जीवन में है, गरीब हो या अमीर, समस्या दोनों के जीवन में है. गरीब की समस्या है भूख लगी तो क्या खाए, अमीर की समस्या है क्या खाए तो भूख लगे. युवा हो या बूढ़ा, समस्याएं दोनों के जीवन में है. युवा की समस्या है क्या करे समय नहीं मिलता, बूढ़े की समस्या है क्या करे समय नहीं कटता. आम आदमी हो या खास आदमी, समस्याएं दोनों के जीवन में है. आम आदमी की समस्या है आज क्या पहने, खास आदमी की समस्या है आज क्या क्या पहने. संसार में कोई सुखी नहीं है. गरीब अमीर होना चाहते हैं, अमीर सुंदर होना चाहते हैं, कुंवारे शादी करना चाहते हैं और शादीशुदा मरना चाहते हैं. तो सुखी जीवन का राज क्या है? सुखी जीवन का राज ये है कि हर दिन इस तरह बिताओ कि रात चैन की नींद सो सको. हर रात इस तरह गुजारो कि सुबह किसी को मुंह दिखाने में ना शर्माओ. जवानी को इस तरह से जियो कि बुढ़ापे में पछताना ना पड़े, और बुढ़ापे को इस तरह से गुजारो कि किसी के सामने हाथ फैलाने ना पड़े. वंस अगेन आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट. पुरस्कार का जमाना है, आप सभी को पुरस्कार मिल रहे हैं. कांग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. लेकिन सही पुरस्कार क्या है बच्चों? सही पुरस्कार, यदि पिता को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो उन्हें उचित सम्मान देना चाहिए. माता को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो ऐसी उपलब्धि प्राप्त करो जिस पर मां गर्व कर सके. आप सभी को पुरस्कार मिल रहे हैं. कांग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. लेकिन सही पुरस्कार क्या है बच्चों? सही पुरस्कार, यदि पिता को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो उन्हें उचित सम्मान देना चाहिए. माता को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो ऐसी उपलब्धि प्राप्त करो जिस पर मां गर्व कर सके. बच्चों को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो उन्हें उचित मार्गदर्शन देना चाहिए. मित्रों को यदि पुरस्कार देना है तो उन्हें दिल में स्थान देना चाहिए. कभी कभी शत्रुओं को भी पुरस्कार देने की बारी आती है तो उन्हें क्षमा देनी चाहिए. लेकिन यदि खुद को पुरस्कार देने की बात आती है तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप सबको अपने आप को योग्यता का, एबिलिटी का पुरस्कार देना चाहिए. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, आई वांट टू विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट for your next coming journey. Wish you all a life full of success. You all have made us proud. Once again, I want to heartily thanks to the dignitaries of today's program. By your presence, our program becomes special. Our program was ordinary, but because of your presence and because of the presence of all your parents, our program became special. Our school need your support, your guidance, your presence in future also. Thank you very much.